Hello everyone! In this video, we will learn how to take advantage of the integrated copy system of the QCG broker through its trader platform to leverage the successful traders it offers us. To do this, once logged into the trader trading platform with our QCG credentials, we will go to the copy section, which you will find in the lower left corner, and click on it. Once there, two options will be enabled for us, strategy providers and investors for our occasion, and for this video, we will focus on the investors option, where we can basically discover a multitude of profitable strategies to follow and copy the operations. If this is our wish, we will click where it says Start Copy, and we will now be redirected to the QCG Markets web application, where once again, using the credentials we have created in our Cushing account, we will log in by clicking here in the upper right corner where we have a green box that says Login. We will click there, and the option to enter and input our credentials will be enabled for us. In our case, as we have done with Google accounts, we will click on the Google option and select the account linked to our back office. In QCG, we click there. Once we are inside the panel we are interested in, we proceed to select the account we want. Copy and replicate the cooperatives of other strategy providers. How will we do this? We are going to go here to the panel located in the upper right corner, the drop-down menu. We will select the account we want. Copy the operations. In this case, we are going to select the 407. We click on it, and basically, we are presented with an option where we can apply different types of filters. The first one that is presented to us is the account type, and it offers us a live option since, in our case, we want to see all the copiers. Let's select all in the option, and if we only want to see those strategy providers that consider real models, we leave the live option, but if we also want to see both, then we can choose all. True, we can also filter by the type of annual average profitability, known as ROI. True, here we can see some statistics, and this is if we want to demand strategy providers to have an annual average profitability that serves as a cornerstone for us to determine if the stay tester is good or if it doesn't interest us. It is the same over time, to look at the periodicity of how long these strategy providers have been in the business. Additionally, through the integrated copy system that the trader platform offers for the QCG broker, we can also apply many more filters that we can see here. However, for this occasion, we will not go into detail. Another thing we can do is that if we know the name of the strategy, we can proceed to write it to locate it quickly. For example, let's search for the account or the copy QCG Tester 01. This is the one we are interested in. In this case, we will click on it, and it will enable us to basically access all the history they have. So, if this is the account we want to follow, it's true that if this is the account we want to copy, we give it. We're going to go to the right side, the upper right corner where it says Start Copying, and we'll click there once from both of us. Once we do that, this panel will be enabled for us with the characteristics of the strategy provider where they tell us about their terms and management purposes. We see that it requires a minimum investment of $1,000 and it doesn't charge any kind of fee, neither for profits, nor for management, nor for volume. Alright! We have all this information here, and we'll click where it says Start Copying, which is this green box we're seeing in the bottom left. There you go, we've now turned this account into a follower of that strategy provider. An additional recommendation is that when we choose a strategy provider, we should pay attention to the positions they hold. If the positions are at 0, we can proceed with the copy. However, if there are open positions, it is advisable to wait for those trades to close before we can proceed with the copy, as when we enable the copy option, any open trades will be automatically replicated in our account. That's all for today. Have a great day!